It is finally spring, ladies and gentlemen. The sun is shining, the days are getting longer, and summer car shows are finally coming back, and they're coming back in a big way. Like every year, we're seeing things start to ramp up as people are trying to finish their projects on time. I've been seeing a lot of cool builds out there, and a lot of them just need a fresh paint job to really put them over the top. With that being said, we're always adding new additions to our lineup of paint, and we have some specialty colors right here on the cart next to me that I think you guys are gonna love. Keep in mind though, we're only scratching the surface with the newest stuff. We have tons and tons of different options when it comes to paint, and we're adding new stuff all the time. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're on this stage with your project, we have plenty of awesome colors for you to choose from. And hey, if you need some gear, of course, we have all the painting supplies you'll need to spray a car from top to bottom. And we have some great how to paint YouTube videos that'll show you exactly how to paint a car the right way. Be sure to check those out. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. And as always, we'll have all the new paints linked below. Thanks for watching. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.